Alright, so we're going to do some POV driving in the GTR now. We're going to first start up and do some launch controls and rolling launches. It's about 80 degrees out. We're probably going to spin a lot, so it really won't be exactly accurate compared to if I had like drag tires on a drag strip. But nonetheless, we'll put everything into race mode. Turn the exhaust valves on. Launch control is at 3,500 RPM. Clutch capacitors are at 5. And we got about 37% ethanol. So, here we go. Well, that was 60 really quick. Wow. That didn't even spin. That was a fantastic launch. Wow. That was really good. Alright, here's rolling launch. Yeah, that one's fun to do. Alright, well there you go. There's launch control in the GTR. Now let's hit some twisty roads, and first I'll show you exhaust valve close. Now open. have the low boost, mid boost, high boost, flame map, and then valet. So we'll go to flame map real quick. I totally plugged my ears for that one through the little bridge thing. That is crazy loud. Pops and bangs are pretty cool too. I don't do it often. Normally I drive in map 1, which is about 18 PSI. Full boost is 19 PSI. So all the launches I did in 18 just in case. So I think that is about it, guys. Wrapping up for a little POV video of the GTR. Let me know what you guys think. I had a lot of comments about doing this sort of video with the launches and things like that. The GTR is an amazing car. I freaking love this car so much. And with the 37% ethanol content, this really packs a punch. I got it up to about 75 at the most. And then of course full 93 octane gets you down to 10%. So 37%, this is a half a tank of flex fuel and then a half a tank of normal. And it rips. So that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video.